The PNOZsigma safety relay by PILS can achieve maximum safety and cost-effectiveness with minimum effort. The PNOZsigma is designed to safely monitor emergency stop applications with greater flexibility. Users are able to select operating modes and timer functions to fit their e-stop requirements. The PNOZsigma series is also able to monitor safety gates, light barriers, and two-hand control devices, with additional options that monitor speed and safe brake control. Installation and assembly is quick and easy, with push-in spring-loaded terminals and spring clips that eliminate the need for tools. Configuration is the same on all PNOZsigma relays, with uniform placement of terminals and wiring. This means that connections and devices can be assigned quickly between multiple, separate safety functions. The relay is also equipped with 6 LED indicators that can communicate diagnostic information at a glance. No external measuring devices required. To learn more about the PNOZsigma safety relay and other PILS safety products, visit galco.com.